What's up, YouTube? It's Sako. I want to show you today how to get to case back screws on PAW-1100 3043. It looks like it's not easy to get to it, but actually I'm gonna demonstrate very quick. So all you need a peak or a thin flathead. So we'll go on the sides. So as soon as you take the things out, it will just come up. And now this, you hold it from here and just go upwards. So I just very lightly just pull it out. It has those that snaps together. Just need it nicely and just pull it off of there. So I'm just gonna try to do this. Oh fuck.